Right, so yeah, welcome back to another one. I'm not quite sure like how long this one's going to be. It's just going to be seeing if I can get out a CREP cure actually works. So I did a similar one with CREP Protect, the wipes. Now it's the cure kit. So I've got fairly dirty shoes. They're not covered, but I do need them cleaned. So I thought I'd make a video on them. Obviously, your shoes may be worse than this. It's not a competition, but yeah, let's just see how it goes. So. First thing, you fill this up with hot water. Okay, so I am sorry about the wind noise, but now that's filled up with water. Then you just take off the lid, then you just add in the CREP cure. I can't actually remember how much to use, but I use that much is probably too much. But yeah, where is it? You then get this, start rubbing it in, and then just clean it around the shoe. So I'll try and do a time lapse, but no guarantees. Okay, so I understand I haven't really said what this video is actually about. So these are my 97s. I'm cleaning the just the outside, not actually messing about with the sole, purely just because I wear these every day. So the sole's going to get covered, but I need them to be clean, obviously for college and for work. So that's what's happening with these two, the 97s. Then with the Air Forces, I'm just going to clean them all over and actually do specifically on the sole as well, because it's great having a white shoe, but then when your foot's up, you can see that. So yeah, now that's explained, it should make a bit more sense. So yeah, again, I'm sorry about the wind, but I've now finished this one. It's basically done. I just got to get specific things off like that. But obviously you can tell it's a lot cleaner. Obviously it's not perfect. There's a couple of things I've got to get off. I'm actually going to keep the laces on these on while I was cleaning it, but I'm going to take them off and put them through the washing machine. But yeah, you can see already it's not perfect, but it's still a big difference. Okay, so I've come inside just because it was beginning to rain, so now maybe you can actually hear me. So essentially I clean these for college and for work, just so they look clean. Obviously the soles aren't amazing, but I'm sitting down for most of the day. Obviously I wear these out and about, so I want the soles clean, because obviously when you're walking and you step up, you can see the sole, so I want that cleaned. I kept the laces on these just because they're black, but because these are white, I'm going to be taking the laces off. If you don't know, if you just put the laces in a sock, then put the sock in the washing machine, then it cleans the laces without them going everywhere or possibly getting lost. When all the soap was on the shoe, I rubbed it off with this microfiber. This will also be going in the wash, just because all that is from this. So that, and as you can see, it's black, so it needs a clean. So I've now cleaned out this with new water, and I've cleaned this. So I'll be adding in some more of the CREP cure. I only clean my shoes once every 6 months, so I'd rather use more CREP cure than less, because I'm not exactly going to save it. So yeah, but hopefully that should make some more sense now. Okay, so now I've got both of the laces off, so these are both ready to be cleaned. And I've taken off the metal tags, just because I don't really want them going through the wash, so I'll put them on afterwards. I might customize them, but maybe not today, maybe at a future date. But yeah, just stick they're not that bad at all, but it's good to clean them if you're going to clean the shoe. So just stick them in a sock, stick them in the washing machine, however you do it. I don't actually know. And yeah, they come out clean. Okay, so while my laces are in the wash, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean one pair and leave the other as it is, so you can compare them. I would say with the 97s, it's done quite a good job. Obviously there's small things that can just be taken off, and obviously there's that thing on the front of the shoe that will be taken off, but overall I would say they look quite good. Obviously, as I said, small things that need to be taken off properly, but it does take off the surface dirt and a bit more. Obviously if you want a thorough clean, you need to do more than just this with a brush, but for a quick clean that took me 10 minutes for them both. That's not bad at all. So I've just finished up on the first shoe. I even went to the extent of grabbing a cocktail so they can go in every single groove you see and under the shoe as well. Obviously it isn't perfect, so don't judge me, but before it wasn't looking too good, and now I've gone through all the little grooves, it actually looks amazing. So if we just compare them, obviously you've got that sole there, which is, I would say it's stained at this point. Then you've got that sole there, so it's not perfect, I'm fully aware, but it's a big difference. And if we just compare the sides, obviously you can see there, I've got small things to go over once more, because I did let it dry, but I was trying to find a spare towel, so I just had to go over small things like that. But it's all in the grooves, like using a cocktail stick, obviously it's made a massive change, but it did take about half an hour, so you have to consider that. But it's small things like that that will make your shoe look 10 times better. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Obviously I'll finish up the shoe, put it all back together. But yeah, so far so good. It's not the best thing in the world, but then again, for a shoe cleaning product at the price point, I think it's perfect. All right, so I've just finished off the other shoe now. I'm not going to sit here and pretend it's perfect, because it's not. But I've been sat here for about an hour or so now, so I'm starting to lose patience. It's not terrible, obviously it could do with a bit more. I'm going to go back over it to try and take out that. But you know, small patches on the sole and on the midsole and things like that. But it's a big improvement from where it was. So yeah, now I just need to put on the laces. Don't be too mad at me, because it's not the best job, but obviously you try and sit here. So obviously it's made a huge mess, so just be prepared for that. Yours might even be worse, because mine wasn't that dirty at all. So I'll catch up with you when I've put back on the laces. Alright, so I've just finished up cleaning the shoes and putting on all the laces. Not too bad, not great. Obviously I'm going to go over them at a later date to get off marks like that. But overall, not too bad at all. Let me know what you think. I would recommend CREP Cure, but not on its own. Like, you need to support it with other things, otherwise you're not going to get a complete clean. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed, like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in another one. Cheers.